Joining me now is business reporter Ed Boyd. Ed, if BHP walk away from the negotiating table, then the financial laws in the UK will prevent it from tabling another offer for at least 6 months. Is that right?
Yeah, that's right. So that's the sort of intricacies of the UK takeover laws. And once a takeover deal is made public, which is what happened on Anzac Day, then both parties are not really allowed to speak publicly about the deal at all or influence the deal price. So there's been a bit of toing and froing between the two businesses since Anzac Day in April. And right now we've got BHP has placed its second offer last week for about $64.4 billion. At the same time, BHP's share price has actually surged to a 3-month high. And the deal is for BHP shares, so it's actually increased the value of the offer. But we have heard from Anglo American, which is the big British mining giant, basically saying publicly that they think BHP is not offering enough money. So 2 a.m. Thursday morning is the deadline, 5 p.m. London time. And BHP basically can put a firm offer in of a higher offer, which would lock them into a deal, or they can just walk away. Those are basically the two options now that BHP have, and expect to see an announcement on the ASX probably posted overnight, and we should get an update on what's happened to early tomorrow morning from both BHP and Anglo American. But this would be the biggest mining deal of the year if it goes ahead, and BHP is already the world's largest mining company. This would make them even bigger and the biggest producer of copper around the world.
Massive, absolutely. The local share market is also close to a record high today. It's just open. How close are we?
Look, we are super close to a record high. What it is, it's a lot of positivity now around interest rates falling from the Bank of England, potentially going to happen in June. We've also got the US Federal Reserve looking now to cut interest rates in September. And that's really pushed up a lot of positivity on the stock market. We've also had some big profit results from American tech companies. Share markets in the US are close to record highs. Let's just put up the ASX 200 live chart to see what's happened this morning. Okay, the record is 7896 points. So with about 34 points off the ASX 200's all-time record high. So we're pretty close to it. We could potentially get through that record throughout the rest of today, or perhaps at some point this week. So stock markets are feeling very positive and very buoyed up right now. And we've got our market just 34 odd points, Laura, off its all-time record.
Okay, not far then. Ed, thanks so much. We'll see you soon.